Okay, so we are at it again. This time it's going to be like a small little weekend trip or extended weekend because we're off on Monday and we're off to
Basel, Switzerland. We were out the door around 6:30. We had to be at the airport at 7 and our flight left at 8:50 a.m. Though we had a 45-minute delay sitting waiting for departure in the plane, it actually went pretty smooth.
We finally got to Basel in Switzerland. And we got here on a day where it's actually raining. It was raining quite a lot. Thankfully, cleared up, and we've just had some lovely lunch at Tippets, as we also know it as Titty Bits. Anyways, really beautiful here. Hope you enjoy.
One very annoying thing happened. Some stuff got onto the ND filter I was using, making all the highlights bloom like crazy. So it's become a thing to look for yarn stores in every city we get to. The river running through Basel has a crazy current. Going upstream against the current must be a hell of a workout.
Oh, really? It's actually really pretty here. And the weather cleared up. And it looks as if it's actually going to last for at least a couple of hours. The sun came out.
We had no real goal or aim or something we absolutely had to see. We just walked around the city until something of interest showed up.
So, sweetie pie, we are heading home to the hotel now. And then we're gonna maybe have a little rest and then we're gonna head out again. This is where we started the day from. Our hotel is right that way. Oh, sorry.
I get confused sometimes. So this is our hotel, Essentials by Dorint. On each floor, they had a sitting area in front of the elevator, which was pretty nice. The room was pretty standard. That's not a bad thing. So the original plan was to rest a little and head on out later.
We went to bed and we didn't get up again and we didn't get out the door after we came home. We were simply too tired. We fell asleep and then we got up and we and then we decided to just stay in bed and then sleep until today. We just had breakfast and we are out the door again and we're gonna go to the museum.
The Kunstmuseum Basel houses the oldest public art collection in the world and is generally considered to be the most important museum of art in Switzerland. So when you stay in Basel, you get a discount to all these museums and attractions. And the discount to the museum here was 50%. On top of that, all public transportation is free or included in your stay at a hotel in Basel. That is absolutely amazing. Thank you, Basel.
So, sweetie pie, we just been to the museum.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I liked it.
Yeah, why? It wasn't raining. Yeah. That would
I'm sure
work.
you got more out of it than that.
Oh yeah, true, I did. Well, the weather definitely changed. I know, it's so silly.
The Roche Tower is the second tallest building in the country. It's about 178 meters tall, or 584 feet. It is the pride and joy of Basel, and it is pretty impressive. So as we were out walking, we came across this poster, Wildlife Photographer of the Year. And believe it or not, the exposition was just around the corner.
So we're now heading back, and we've been enjoying it very much. The weather has been so much better than yesterday, for sure. It was sunny and warm, and we had like long walk by the river. Absolutely perfect day, I would say.
Another great feature about the hotel is that they have a gym, and a pretty neat one as well. And as you can tell, I had it all to myself. After some well-deserved rest, we went to the museum, and wow, what a treat. So this here is the winner. And the picture to the right came in second. But seriously, there were so many. Oh yeah, and then there was this guy. So the last couple of hours we just sat here by the water.
Wow.
With this fella.
What you reading?
About this guy obsessed with this woman.
Haven't you read that already?
Not this one.
After spending some hours hanging around the city on this last day in Basel, we had to go back to the hotel and pick up our luggage.
Hey, so it just happens we have plenty of time to make a little video. The flight is late, and we're sitting here chillaxing and just had something to eat and something to drink. But this will definitely be the last video for us. If you are watching as far as this, then thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.